Do you want to fix your LED bulb at home without buying a new one or calling a repair service? Today, I will show you a simple way to bring your LED bulb back to life using basic tools you already have. You can follow each step at your own pace and check every part of the bulb safely. If you enjoy working in your garage or fixing things around your house, this guide will help you handle the problem with confidence. Let's start by taking a closer look at why your LED bulb stopped working. First, you need to open the LED bulb so you can check what is going on inside. Take a utility knife and place the bulb on a stable surface. Hold it firmly and slide the blade around the edge of the plastic cap. Work slowly so you keep control of the cut. The cap will start to loosen as you move around the rim. When it lifts up, set it aside and keep the parts in one place so you do not lose anything. After that, screw the bulb back into the socket to get a clear look at the circuit board. You will need 2 small rivets for testing. Use a handheld grinder to shape the tips into sharp points. These pointed ends will help you touch each LED chip and check which one has failed. This simple step sets you up for the rest of the repair and gives you a clean start for bringing your LED bulb back to working condition. Now you can build a simple tester to check each LED chip without using special tools. Take an old phone charger that has a broken cable. Cut the damaged section off and strip the 2 wire ends so the copper is exposed. Twist each wire to keep the strands tight. Pick up the 2 rivets you shaped earlier and wrap each wire end around the base of a rivet. When the wire is secure, cover the connection with electrical tape to keep it safe and easy to hold. Plug the charger into an outlet and you now have a small testing tool with 2 pointed probes. This homemade tester gives you steady power and lets you touch each LED chip one by one. It is simple, reliable, and perfect for checking your LED board without spending extra money. Tell me where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing the different cities and states you're tuning in from. With your tester ready, you can check each LED chip on the board. Keep the bulb in the socket so the board stays steady. Hold the 2 rivet probes in your hands and touch the tips to the contact points of each chip. Work slowly so you do not slip. A good LED chip will light up right away. If you touch one and it stays dark, that chip is burned out. Mark the spot with a small pin so you do not lose track of it. Turn off the power and remove the bulb from the socket. Use a utility knife to scrape the damaged chip off the board. Take a spare LED strip, warm the back of it over a candle. And lift off a working chip with a pair of tweezers. Place this chip onto the empty spot on your board. touch the probes to it again to confirm that it lights up. When every chip responds, your LED board is ready for reassembly. Now you can place the new LED chip back into the bulb. Take the board out of the housing and hold it steady on a flat surface. Warm the area where the burned chip was so the solder softens. Set the new chip in the correct position and press it gently so it sits flat. Give it a moment to settle as the solder cools. Pick up your homemade tester and touch the probes to a few chips, including the one you replaced. When they all light up, you know the repair is solid. At this point, the board is ready to go back into the bulb housing. Now you can put the bulb back together. Place the LED board into the housing and make sure it sits in the same position as before. Press it down so it fits firmly. Set the plastic cap on top and line up the edges. Push it around the rim until it locks into place. When everything feels tight, screw the bulb into the socket. Turn on the switch and check the light. If every chip you tested is working, the bulb will come on right away. This simple step finishes the repair and brings your LED bulb back to use. Start this second method by checking the bulb the same way you normally would. Screw the LED bulb into the socket and turn on the switch. If the light stays off, remove it and set it on a steady surface. Take a utility knife and slide the blade around the edge of the plastic cap. Work slowly so you keep full control of the cut. The cap will loosen as you move around the rim. Lift it off and set it aside. Screw the bulb back into the socket so you can see the LED board clearly when you test each chip in the next step. Now you can check each LED chip to find the one that failed. Wrap a small piece of electrical tape around the handle of your tweezers so you can hold them safely. With the bulb in the socket, turn on the power and touch the tip of the tweezers to each chip. Turn off the power right away and mark that spot with a pen. This mark helps you keep track of the chip you need to remove in the next step. Turn off the power and take the bulb out of the socket. Use a utility knife to scrape the damaged LED chip off the board. Work slowly so you keep the surface clean and flat. Pick up a small screw and place it over the empty spot. Use a drill with a light touch to drive the screw into the board until it sits firmly in place. The screw creates a solid contact point and completes the circuit where the chip failed. Once the screw is secure, the board is ready to be tested again. Place the cap back on the bulb, screw it into the socket, and turn on the switch to see the light come on. Both methods bring your LED bulb back to work with simple steps you can handle at home. These fixes save you money and keep your tools and lights ready when you need them. If you want more ideas you can use in your house or workshop, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next project.